Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Wilson. Today we're going to be hacking a WEP encrypted network. Be advised that you should not do this on anybody else's network but your own. It is illegal to do so, and the purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. And additionally, it's also to show that using WEP encryption is pretty weak in terms of protecting your network. Now, bear with the quality of the video. I'll try to keep it in focus as best as I can. Let's see here. We're going to get started. As you notice, I have a window open. It's kismet. It allows me to look up information on the networks in the area. So if you're not familiar with kismet, you can read up online about it. It's a very, very handy tool for browsing wireless networks in the area. Now, what I'm going to start by doing is gathering some information. First, I'm going to select the network that I'm going to go into, and then I'm going to get some information about it. Specifically, what I'm looking for is the name of the network and its MAC address. And let me zoom in a little bit so we can see. Let's see here. A little out of focus, but bear with me here. I only have a laptop screen. Okay. Here it is. Alright. That's the network I want, and that's the MAC address of the network that I want to get into. Okay. Now, let's get started. Let's see, get everything back in focus here for a second here. Alright, and once again, bear with the quality of the video. It's a really easy hack too. You'd be surprised. So you make yourself a little file with that information. What I like to put the network name, the MAC address of that network, the channel of that network, and additionally the MAC address I will be using. Because this is my network, and I don't really care. For the purposes of this video, I'm not going to use any MAC changing or MAC spoofing. I'm just going to use my MAC address. Alright, now I'm going to pop open a console. I have to put my my card into monitor mode real quick. Dun 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 dun. Alright. And I'm going to say airmon-ng start. My interface Wi-Fi 0 and monitor mode. Alright, so now I'm ready to do this. I'm ready to record and save the traffic by using the airodump command. -c1 -bssid shift insert -wwp ath1. Where is, and I want this on channel 4, so that 1 that I put in there has got to become a 4. Alright. Okay. Now, as you can see, I'm recording information on that channel. Let's see here, let me back this up, make it a little easier to see. Now, all I'm getting is beacons right now. I could sit here and wait for data. That's what's important, is getting the data. So what I need to do next is I need to associate my IP with the access point. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to open up another shell, and I'm going to use the Aireplay command, Aireplay-NG -1-A. Insert that MAC address and my interface. Okay, now I'm successfully associating myself with the access point. Now I'm going to open up another window, another shell window, and I'm going to do the ARP replay attack to gather some data. This is going to make my data column go way up real fast. So I'm going to type Aireplay-NG-3-B, and then I'm going to insert the MAC address and insert my interface, which is ATH1, and I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. Okay. Now let me go back to the first shell, and we're going to look at the data. We're going to wait. At this point, we're just going to wait for the data to start going up. Right now, it's not really going up a whole lot, but if you just give it a while, it should start to go up, and rapidly too.
Immediately you'll see a row of questions, of answers from people from everywhere. No, the question
So ideally, what we are looking for is 50,000 packets of data, and right now I only have 23. Once again, I just have to wait a little bit. Just sit back, have a cup of coffee, because the whole goal is we got to get 50,000 data packets, and usually it's just gonna take about 10 minutes.
Well, a lot of laughs, and I think a lot of heart also. The story, I think it's going to be fun, but I think it might surprise people in the amount.
Okay, just want to make sure that my authentication and association request with the access point is going okay. So everything is going okay, so it's a game of hurry up and wait. So while we're hurrying up and waiting, I'm going to go and grab a cup of coffee.
Taxing sex, can you imagine? We would figure out the deficit, clean up that deficit, trillions of dollars in a second. People were taxed to become this tax. Oh my goodness. I'm heading down a bad road, so I'm going to go. Yeah, I got a rat in my ear. 9:51. Oh, don't tell me. Jenny McCarthy is the latest woman to accuse actor Steven Seagal of sexual harassment. What did he say? He made her cry. Well, what did he really say? Nothing good. This is a good thing. Locks of love. Women are cutting off their hair for a good cause. Come on now. On the next Wendy, there's no better way to start your weekend than with a good laugh. Funny man Kevin Nealon talks about fatherhood, marriage, and his hit TV show, Weeds. Plus, from Why Did I Get Married To, the very handsome Malik Yoba on the next Wendy. Up next on Fox 29. Are you watching cable? Here's what you should be watching.